Welcome back to our long lost channel.
Guess who's back again. Babe, stop!
Knock it off me.
Okay.
Oh, smiling.
Okay, hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I know it's been a year, maybe more than a year, but we're finally
Home.
Yes, we are home and we're back, and we are gonna be doing some more videos.
Maybe.
Yes.
On this.
Okay, anyways, so enough with the chit chat. I think we're just gonna start showing you guys.
She'll show you around because I gotta do some little handy dandy work.
Yeah, so let's get to it. What kind of handy dandy work is that?
Oh, I was just seeing if I could keep it level.
remodel it into something cute for my office, for work and stuff. Okay, so that is the end of this video.
I'll show you more, but that's all we got.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Mr. and Mrs.
Lorena and Miguel.